let's draw this cone in front of us. Since our dimensions are in millimeters, we're gonna come on new there. We go metric, standard millimeters, and we say create. Here we are going to start with a rectangle. So this is one of the easiest way to draw a cone. Then I'm gonna draw this line here. After that, I'll come with this other line from there up to, let's say, there. Okay. Then I'll say between this one and that one, I need to have 20 millimeters. So 20. Okay. And this whole thing here needs to be 160 millimeters. Okay, that is good. From here to there, I want to have 25 millimeters. Okay, and this whole thing, I want it to be 60 millimeters. So 60. Once you're done with that, what you can do next is you come on 3D model, you click on revolve. Right, now you select the profile that you want to revolve, and then you select the axis against which you want to revolve. Now you have your cone. Then you say okay. After this, what you can do now is to give the material. So you're gonna come on here, right? You select, maybe let's say carbon steel. Now you have it. Okay, it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. For now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.